It was a disaster that we haven't seen in this part of Canada in quite a number of years. This area, there wasn't a whole lot of availability of places for come-from-away firefighters to stay. We knew we had something that we could offer.
When we saw the situation become worse and worse down the shore, we realized we have a facility here and in Carbonear as well that we could certainly utilize.
Whatever these come-from-away firefighters needed, we tried to provide.
We haven't had a lot of forest fires around here, but this fire, it was immense and catastrophic. I mean, people's homes, their livelihoods, pets. Some people left in the morning to go to work, and they never got to go home after.
I was one of the towns that were evacuated, Western Bay. We were out of our house, evacuated for 26 days. And it was one of the more difficult parts of it when we were out was wondering, are we going to have a house left or how much damage would be to down the shore?
Knights of Columbus were absolutely outstanding. They provided shelter and accommodations and food for a lot of the firefighters come from across the province. Without that, we would have been scrambling to find places for them to stay, food for them to eat, and to be looked after while they were here. And the Knights of Columbus, they jumped right in and offered everything up.
Making a sacrifice for someone, irrespective of whoever the person is, being there for someone, being a shoulder for someone to lean on, a support system in need.
That's charity. Newfoundlanders and Labradorans were known for banding together in times of need, and this was no different. We had Knights of Columbus and firefighters come from all across the province, and we were there to help.
Without charity, nothing works. One person can't do it. There's only a group like us that can get together and help out to make it a success.
When you know that you can reach out to different community groups and you'll have 100% support from them, namely the Knights of Columbus, it's a comforting feeling when you go to bed at night saying, okay, we had this day, we did what we could, tomorrow's another day.
The Knights of Columbus has been on the go to help at home, in the families, in the parishes, and charity in the community when it was needed. We try to continue the vision of Father Michael McGivney as best as we can.